session we are going to see the lab of how to create an indexer cluster. So in the previous session we saw how to create an indexer, so now we will create an indexer cluster. Okay, so for this lab I'm going to use the AWS. Okay, so here I have created the 4 instances, but I'm going to use only 2 instances, master node, peer 1 and the peer node 2, and search ahead I'm not going to be use. If you wants to use I will let you know किस तरीके से इसको यूज़ करना है, आप इसका लैब परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. सो सबसे पहले हम मास्टर नोड ओपन करते हैं एंड इसे हम मास्टर नोड बनाते हैं. तो इसको सॉरी, तो सबसे पहले हमें इसका आईपी लेना है, ठीक है, एंड जस्ट वी हैव टू ओपन. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to click on the settings. On the settings, what we have to do, in the distributed environment we have to click on the indexer clustering. Okay, so after we have to click on enable indexer clustering, and you will get a 3 options, master node and peer node and the search ad node. हमें यहाँ पे मास्टर नोड सिलेक्ट करना है, तो मैं यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट कर दूँगी. यहाँ पर एप्लीकेशन फैक्टर आई एम यूजिंग 2 एंड द सर्च फैक्टर आई एम यूजिंग 1. ओके, so enable and restart now, so it will restart. Okay, so now let's go to the second instance. This instance I am opening on another tab, 8000. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to make this a peer node. So we will click on the setting. After setting we have to go to the indexer clustering, that is in the distributed environment tab. Click over here, we have to enable the cluster URI. So जो ये फर्स्ट नोड था, this was our master node. So now इसे हम क्या बनाएंगे, we will make this a peer node. Next, तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, in the master URI we have to give the this instance IP, right? So what we have to do, let's go to the master node, copy the IP and we have to paste colon 8089. उसके बाद हमें यहाँ पर एप्लीकेशन पे क्या डालना है, वी हैव टू गिव एनी, यू कैन गिव एनी पोर्ट नंबर. सो आई एम गिविंग हियर 8080. ओके, आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू इनेबल and we have to restart now. So now let me log in to the this, and you can see this will be our search head. And if you wants to be create a one search head, you can use this another instance as a search head. ओके, आप उसे सर्च हेड बना सकते हैं. ये जो मैंने अलग इंस्टांस, उसको आपको वैसे ही मेथड से सर्च हेड क्रिएट करना है, ठीक है. सो इट इज़ रिस्टार्टिंग, ठीक है. सो देयर इज़ ए, okay, so there is a P1, there is a one search ad, obviously वो इसका IP है, this is 172.31.32.224, and let me show you, this is 224. okay, so here are the default indexes are here, that is audit, internal and elementary. So in the P there is a first P, that is only this machine, and let me log in into this. Okay, okay, so this is the 103. so this is peer is here, that is a 103. okay, in the search ad is showing a 224, that is this search ad. And let me create a one more peer. So for that I'm going to use this machine. Okay, let me copy the IP colon 8000. Okay, so just click on the settings, we have to click on indexer clustering. We have to click on enable, एंड पीर नोड. एंड अगर आपको सर्च एड ऐड करना है, ओके आई विल शो यू हाउ टू ऐड. तो यहाँ पे मुझे फर्स्ट इंस्टांस का IP डालना पड़ेगा. दिस, let me copy and let me put this 8089, and in this we will use 8080 and enable and restart now. So this machine will be restarted and we will see there will be two searchable. Right now there is only one search head and there is a one P, that is 103, this, and after that there will be one more, that is 128. Okay, 103, and you can see here there is a one more search peer node, that is a 128. So these two are, and this is having a 6 bucket and this is having a 9 buckets. Okay, and there is a one search head. So this way you can just add. So if I want to add one more search head, so I can add. How? Just click on the search head, copy, paste you, colon 8000. Okay, so we have to click on settings, indexer clustering, enable the clustering, and here we have to select here search head node and click on next. And here we have to give this machine IP, this instance IP for the okay, security key. We okay, search and next, colon 8089. Okay, restart now. And if I'll go here, you can see there will be a two search head now. One is this machine IP and the second will be of this 172. Okay, now you can see there are two search head. This is the for 224 and this is 65. Okay, so we have a two search at 65 and 172, this one. So we have a two search heads that we added two pairs. You can add more pairs here. So one is this peer 1 and this peer node 2. Okay, so this way you can just configure your indexer cluster. So you can just set up this lab. If you are not comfortable with the AWS, you can just configure all this lab on the VMware. You can just create these 4 machine and you can just perform this lab. Okay, so if you have any query in this lab, you can just post your query in the comment section. So this was all about the indexer cluster.